Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Today is the first day of 2019 and we're going to make this year absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy that I've been able to do this for the last year, basically be able to create all of these eczema related videos to teach you guys all about eczema. So, I'm going to preface this video by saying that topical steroids are not good for your skin. Topical steroids will thin out the skin. You'll go through something called topical steroid withdrawal, which means that once you stop taking the topical steroids, your skin will become worse than it was before. So just a little preface there. I want to get into other ingredients, other products, but I just wanted to put that out there. I think you guys know that. It's probably why you're watching this video, because you want to find out the natural remedies to heal your eczema. So the very first thing that you should avoid in moisturizers is parabens. Parabens are extremely irritating to the skin, and long-term use has been shown to lead to cancer. So one example of this on the market is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. So make sure that you're looking into your shampoos, your conditioners, because all of those things will lead to toxin buildup and it'll cause your liver to need to be detoxed even more. So you want to cut down on that. So make sure that you're not using the CeraVe moisturizer because it has parabens in it, and also check to see that your makeup products or your beauty product do not have any parabens whatsoever. Number 2 is mineral oil. So you may have seen a lot of debate on this on the internet, but mineral oil is actually very clogging to the skin. So it basically seals off the pores so that the skin can no longer breathe. Long-term use of mineral oils have been linked to asthma and cancers, and one example of a brand that has an eczema-related product is Eucerin. So that has mineral oil in it. Number 3 is a mistake that I used to make when I had my eczema, and that was using petroleum. So for example, Vaseline is petroleum jelly. In Europe, petroleum's actually been banned so that it can't be used in any beauty products from now on. So if all of those countries have realized that petroleum is not actually good for our skin, please avoid it and do not use it on your eczema. Some examples of eczema related products is the Gold Bond, Eczema Relief, and Aveeno products. So both of those have petroleum in it. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. And also take all of these ingredients that I'm talking about and go check your shampoos, your skin products, your lotions, not just the stuff that you're using on your eczema. The stuff that you use on your eczema is going to be extremely irritating and actually cause your healing process to be longer. Number 4 is paraffins, not to be confused with parabens. So parabens was number 1. Number 4 is paraffins, and they irritate the skin tremendously. Long-term use has been shown to lead to kidney cancer. And one example is Epamax cream. It is just another eczema cream out there on the market, and you guys want to avoid that. So number 5, it's a little less common in eczema related products, but you definitely want to check if you wear makeup. A lot of makeup that is a mineral powder has silica in it. So silica is referring to silicones, and if you use it too often, it could lead to cancer and allergies. And my last little tip for you guys, avoid all moisturizers that have the ingredient water in it. And it's because it'll actually dry out the skin more, and you're going to end up with more damaged skin in the long run. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I've actually made the 5 best moisturizers. I actually recommend that you don't moisturize too often, once a day, once or twice a day, depending on how dry your skin is, or if you need, like for example, if you have eczema on your face and you want to look a little bit more presentable, using a little bit of lotion is okay, but I encourage you guys to try to use it less and less, but check out the 5 best moisturizers to see what you should be using instead of these products. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see my review on the Eczema Honey Company. So it's another eczema moisturizer. It comes in a little jar. It's really popular, and I have some thoughts on it. So give this video a big thumbs up and I'll make that video for you guys. So again, it is 2019 now, and I just launched my first session of my 6-week program, and I'm so excited to see how this goes. And if you want to work with me, DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook, and you can go to coachmichellmills.com to find out more information about my 6-week program. It takes you from like nasty stage 1 skin to a place where you're feeling more confident, and you may even heal through those 6 weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and happy 2019! We're gonna make this the best year yet. I have tons of content coming for you guys, and say Happy New Year down below in the comments. Happy New Year, guys!